In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Framer template. First, head to framer.com in your browser and sign in to your account. You can do this from any modern browser, but a desktop screen will make things easier to see. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see a list of your recent projects and a place to create something new. Next, start a fresh project. Look for the New Project button. Clicking it opens a panel where you can choose how you want to begin. Instead of starting from scratch, we're going to use a professionally designed template to speed things up and keep your design consistent. Open the full template gallery by selecting all templates. This brings up a wide range of ready-made designs created for different industries and use cases. You'll find landing pages, portfolios, blogs, SaaS sites, and more, all structured with reusable components and responsive layouts so they look great on every device. Now, browse through and focus on free templates if you're working with no budget. Use the search bar or filters to narrow down by style or category, and click into any option to preview the live demo. Pay attention to the navigation, section spacing, typography, and the number of pages included, so you know how much you can reuse. When you find something that matches your goals, select the template you like to open its details. Here, you can review screenshots and a short description. If the layout and sections cover most of what you need, it's a strong pick and will minimize custom work later. Click. Use for free to duplicate the template into your workspace. Framer will create a new project based on that template and open it on the canvas. Give it a moment to load the assets and components. From here, edit it to make it yours. Replace placeholder text with your copy, swap images and logos, and update colors and typographies to match your brand. Use the left sidebar to jump between pages and sections, and the right sidebar to adjust properties and variants. Preview as you go to check animations and responsiveness on desktop and mobile breakpoints, and update links so buttons point to the right destinations. Finally, click Publish. Confirm the project name and default URL, then publish your site. After a brief build, Framer gives you a live link you can open and share. If you need to tweak anything, just return to the canvas, make your changes, and publish again. That's it. You've taken a Framer template, customized it, and put it online in minutes.